If you're looking for some fun and creative ways to get sea moss into your diet, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 really fun products that True Sea Moss sent me to try. So let's dive in. But first, hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of vegan food products on my YouTube channel as well as my Amazon storefront. So be sure to check out all of my Amazon storefront idea lists where I share a variety of vegan food products lists like for baking, emergency foods, pantry foods, ready to eat meals, and all kinds of stuff. And also be sure to check out my blog. I share a link in the description of this video below at dailyfoods.com where I share some recipes for using one of these products, and I'll share more about that later on in this video. Now, in my recent video, I shared another product that included Irish sea moss in it, and I explained more in detail about why you would want to even include something like this into your diet. But briefly, I'll just explain to you the nutrition facts are pretty amazing. This is a seaweed, so oftentimes seaweeds are packed with vitamins and minerals, and in plain Irish sea moss, you can see it actually contains iron, calcium, phosphorus, niacin, magnesium, folate, vitamins A1, B6, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin K. I mean, just so many vitamins and minerals in one simple food. So a lot of people are actually including this in their diets for the nutritional value. Now, the True Sea Moss brand actually sells raw sea moss. You want to find one that's 100% wild crafted. This is sourced from the Atlantic region of the United States of America. And this is actually what the moss itself looks like. It's pretty wild. So what you basically do with this is you soak it overnight and then you blend it with some water to create like a gel. And then you take that gel and then you add it to recipes or you consume it. And then there's a couple other ways you can actually get sea moss into your diet, and I'll share with you next. But I shared in my last video about how when I graduated from culinary school in 2004, I actually went to work at a raw food restaurant in Santa Monica. It was called Giuliano's Raw, and he actually has a really great raw food vegan cookbook. Now, on my blog post, I actually have just recently shared 5 raw vegan recipes that you can use Irish sea moss in. Now, not only is Irish sea moss a really great nutritional value food, but it's also a really great replacement for things like gelatin in recipes. It's also a nice binder. It's used a lot of times in like vegan cheesecakes and vegan puddings, and even in crackers, like raw vegan crackers. So this is such a great, interesting ingredient that actually adds a lot of full-bodied flavor or texture to recipes. So that's why a lot of raw foodists use Irish sea moss in a lot of recipes. Now, nowadays, a lot of people actually use coconut for that, but actually coconut's packed with a lot of saturated fat, and a lot of people kind of argue that against using a lot of coconut. So Irish sea moss is actually, in my opinion, a much better substitute to coconut in a lot of vegan and raw food recipes. Now, True Sea Moss also sells the gel already formed in jars like this, and then they flavor it. So you can actually just buy it already flavored and gelled for you if you prefer to do that. The only downside to that is a lot of times these have flavors, and then they also have like some ingredients that are added as shelf stabilizers and things like that. So if you don't want that in your diet, you can go ahead and just purchase the raw sea moss like this. Now, a couple of other ways that you can get sea moss into your diet if you're just trying to get it as nutritional value is True Sea Moss actually sells these sea moss gummies, and this is a multi-flavor pack here, and it actually says it's okay for adults and for kids. And basically, it has a lot of vitamins and minerals, and then they also add other things like burdock extract and bladderwrack kelp extract. So this is what the gummies look like that. And then another way that you can get sea moss into your diet is True Sea Moss sells these sea moss capsules for immune support. This is an all-in-one formula and it has vitamin C, D3, zinc, elderberry, and turmeric added. So they have a bunch of different product options, like if you don't want the D3 in there because maybe you take that already or however you prefer. But this is another option for getting sea moss into your diet. And this is what the capsules look like inside the bottle. All right, well, thanks for joining me in this video, and be sure to check out the link in the description below for where you can actually purchase these True Sea Moss branded products. Thank you again to True Sea Moss for sending me these products to review. I'm really excited about sharing Irish sea moss with you. And also check out the link in the description for where I share 5 raw vegan recipes that are very similar to the ones I learned at Giuliano's Raw, and using the Irish sea moss as a thickener and a binder in raw vegan recipes, because it really is a really great ingredient for amplifying your raw vegan recipes. Well, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I will be sharing some of those raw vegan recipes in some upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.